Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about this, the Klein Katapult Stripper. It's the best one on the market. I'll tell you why. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe before we get started here. This thing's been a game changer for me since I discovered it. I used to use the old school wire strippers, but now this Klein, it's found its place in the toolbox. Let me show you some stuff about it. This is a heavy duty automatic wire stripper and cutter. It's designed for 8 to 20 gauge solid wire or 10 gauge to 22 gauge stranded wire. So this is built with a cast alloy chassis, so it's got some good weight to it and it's got some good solid quality to it. These grips are ergonomic. It's got a nice rubber overmold and it feels real comfortable in your hands. And the curve of it fits real well, so you don't get fatigued from stripping so many wires. So with a traditional manual stripper, you've got to line up your cables, you got to squeeze them, and then you got to kind of pull apart the cables. Sometimes it takes a couple of tries to get what you want. And with the Klein, you don't have to do that. It's all automatic. Sometimes with these, it's really easy to nick that wire when you're stripping them. With these catapults, you put your wire in, you pull it one time, and it strips it the first time every time. Here on the cutting blade, you can see the different gauges that you're able to cut. You just line your wire up with that and go ahead and squeeze it, and that's what it'll go. So let's take a look here. So I've got some 18 gauge wire here. I'm gonna go ahead and look at that. Makes a perfect squeeze right around that jacket. Cuts that jacket. We're gonna go kind of slow here. And you can see that it peels that off perfectly. Cuts a nice edge on there. That's the way to do it right there. Let's check out the cutter part of it. So here's our cutter. Go ahead and put this in there. Give it a squeeze. Look at that. Perfect cut. Let's see it from this side. Once again, we're gonna put it in our 16 gauge. Makes a perfect cut there. Let's flip it around. We see the business end working here. Right? So what's the verdict? I'd say this is probably a solid 4.8 out of 5. Now, why didn't I give it a 5 out of 5? Well, it'd be cool if it was like bright neon yellow to match the other strippers, or I don't know. Nothing gets a perfect score, but this one's pretty close. 4.8 out of 5. Definitely would recommend it. So if you're thinking about upgrading your toolkit, check out the links below. I've put some affiliate links. Check out my affiliate what's that word? Check out my affiliate links below and you can pick this up. Let me know in the comments below, have you guys seen one of these? Do you own one of these? Are you gonna pick one up? And also, don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews like this. I just killed that bug.